examiner says turn the car around, signal right, right not left, mirror, shoulder, pull over close, stop the car, signal to the left, get all your turns into the left, right to the end, but do not tighten the wheel, hold the wheel properly. Now check around, make sure it's good all around. 360, is it good?
Yes.
Alright, so get off the brake, let the car do the job, and you want to get all the way over to the left side of the road.
Keep checking on the right side, right?
Checking everywhere, but mainly where you're going. Alright, just keep looking where you're going now. Keep going as close as you can to the curb. Keep going, man. Keep going, keep going. You failed, yeah. Okay. Place the gear selector to reverse. Get all the turns into the right, all of it, right to the end. They call this dry steering. It does not hurt the car. Just get all the turns in. Now check around, make sure there's no one. Back up immediately. Back up, come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. If you hit the back, you failed. That's good. Stop. Put the gear selector to drive. Get all the turns into the left. Don't touch the signal. Just get all the turns into the left. All of it. Look at the steering wheel as you're turning it. Don't look outside until when you're through turning. Now, look to the right. Because if anyone came along, they have the right of way. But there's no one, so you go. And that's your 3-point turn. Now, keep going straight. We're going to pass that parked vehicle, and then you're going to do your 3-point turn all by yourself. Okay, so the examiner says turn the car around. He doesn't have to say do a 3-point turn. Go further, past that vehicle. Now that's good. So do what you have to do. No, I did not teach you that. Signal to the left. Then get all the turns into the left, all the way to the end. Don't tighten the wheel like you just did. Hold the wheel properly. Then check around. Then go all the way over to the left. So just look where you're going now. All the way over. As close as possible to the other side without hitting the curb or going into someone's driveway. Keep going and stop. Then, gear selected to reverse. Get all your turns into the right. All of it. Of course, the hand technique is no good. I'm gonna have to work on your hands, but for now, this is okay.
No YouTubing yet.
Yeah, back up. Keep checking like crazy. 360 degrees. Make sure you don't hit the curb, and it's your side that will hit, and if you hit, you fail. That's good.
Good.
Gear selected to drive. Get all your turns into the left. All of it. Okay. Now look to the right, and then you go. Remember, you don't start moving until you look to the right, because anyone approaching from the right, they have the legal right of way. And it's safe, so you go.